Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. I'm on a boat fishing solo, and I'm on a duty today to catch as many fish as I can for an upcoming event. We'll be inviting 13 people to the event, and I have to provide them the food that I caught. That's the reception party for a newly built office in Awaji Island. So today I'll be chasing snapper, rock snapper, beltfish, yellowtail, like those various fish we can catch around this area. So I brought all the different rigs for those various fish. Metal jigs, tie rubber, bottom rig with frozen bait. So anyway, it's gonna be a long day. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with this tie rubber. Now the water depth is about 35 meters. So let's go. So I like to make a quick appetizer using this beltfish. Chop off every 20 centimeters so that you can easily handle it. Take out the guts and fillet it. Chop off green onion, olive oil, and yuzu juice, and a little bit of salt, soy sauce, mirin, and mix them together. Fresh and crunchy. You know, I've been thinking about what's the best way to cook beltfish, because every time I bring it back, I do pretty much the same, something related to sashimi. So I'm kind of thinking of, better way to cook the beltfish. And what came up in my mind this morning was the Japanese barbecue thing. It's called KABAYAKI. It's something like, you know, teriyaki barbecue. It's my first try, but yeah, let's give it a shot. I'm gonna try only a small piece. First, fillet the fish, draw a guideline, and just, you know, go straight ahead. Pretty easy to fillet. So now I've got full fillet, and I'm gonna stick it. I don't know, do you think it's too long? Maybe cut it into half and like twist it. 1, 2, 3, 1. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If it tastes really good, I have to buy a lot of bamboo sticks. If you have ever had the eel barbecue at a Japanese restaurant, you can imagine what I'm doing now. A little bit of salt and pepper, like yakitori. Now I'm making a sauce. So the sauce recipe is pretty much the same as teriyaki. Soy sauce based. Mirin, soy sauce, sake, and honey. Make it really sweet, salty and sweet. I want to add a little bit of dashi. Let's taste it. It's cool. It tastes good. Really good. Now let's grill it. Dip in the sauce again and again. And grill it again. So that the sauce really goes into the meat, and the meat can get really moisturized, but the top is crispy. That's the ideal condition, what I'm thinking. Pretty with it. Only the problem is that the meat is very soft and easily drop off. Nice. I think it's done. ちょっと食べてみようか。これ絶対うまいと思うよ。
味染みてるじゃないの？染みてないじゃないの？
うまいうまい。Very soft and it tastes like teriyaki. It's nice, actually. I think you can try it on any type of fish, but make sure the skin's on because it's really easy to come off while grilling it.